and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Kenya for those of you who are new, and I do house hunting videos once in a while like I am doing today. I am in Udhiro along Wayakiwe, and I am giving you a review of a 3-bedroom house which is going for 25,000 shillings, which you will agree with me that is quite something considering the location of the house. And that is the house right over there, and as always I'm leaving the contact details on the description box below, and as always let me know your opinions of the house on the comment section. This is the 3-bedroom. You have the bell of the house right over there, and this is the entrance to the house. I love the wall color, not your usual adroit color, and that is the size of it, quite big. And we have some sockets in the area over here, so this can be your accent wall because of the area, but again we have 2 sockets right over there, and we have the window and the door right over there. We have those 2 bulbs on the walls, so you don't have to necessarily use that one, especially if you are watching a movie. So that is it. The size of the sitting room is quite standard. I would call this a standard size. So yeah, it's the standard size. And then you have this space over here. You have the mirror and the sink right over here. This one looks like the 2-bedroom house that I had already posted, so if you've not watched that one, I'm going to link it here. And you have the separate bathroom and washroom. This is the bathroom, quite a standard size. You have the soap holder, the rod for your towels, and you have the hot shower over there. And this is your washroom with your toilet towel holder. You have the toilet bowl, and the tiling is quite beautiful. And let's go to the sitting room, not the sitting room, sorry, I think I've talked I have talked too much today. This is the kitchen. I love the tiling, the bluish kind of tiling, and that is your storage space. Yeah, that is your storage space, and you have another storage space on these cabinets, and there is a space here for your stove or fridge, and that is the size of your kitchen. Not big, but I think it's enough. The tiling is beautiful, and the tiles are quite easy to clean. And right outside the kitchen is the balcony. The balcony starts from here to there. The sun rays are affecting the camera, but it's quite big. Yeah, that is a better view. You have a tap here and another tap over there, and our bedroom is here. You have an exit door from one of the bedrooms right over there, but let's see it from the inside. So as you can see, this is a workable balcony. Actually you can decorate it, but again you won't be having enough hanging line. So let's get to our first bedroom. And this is the bedroom over here. This is our first bedroom over here. It's quite small. It's not as large as the other ones, but I think you can use it for a baby room or a guest room. A 4x6 would fit. Yeah, that is the size of it. That is the size of our first bedroom. Not as big, but it's workable. So let's go see the other 2 bedrooms. And they are here. Let's start with this one. This is the first one. Sorry about these ones. These ones are supposed to be installed in another room. This apartment is new, by the way. You get to be the first tenant. So we have that window over there, bringing a lot of natural lighting in this room. And we have that one. And this is our closet, which is quite big. You have a place where you can put your shoes. You have the drawers, and they are grilled, by the way, so they are very easy to move. And then you have this space right there. And another thing to note is that one door has a mirror, so you can use that for your dressing. So your dressing is made easier. So that is your closet space, which is enough in my opinion. But as always, you can leave your opinion on the comment section below. So let's go to the other bedroom. And this is the space between the 2 bedrooms. So here we go. This is the third bedroom. This one is quite big, unlike the first one, and it's also slightly bigger than the second one. And you have your wardrobe space over here, which is quite enough. You have that space over there, that one, and you have these drawers. Again, they are grilled, so they are very easy to move. And then you have that, and there is a mirror over here, so your dressing is made quite easy for you. So this is our third bedroom. And again, this house is going for 25,000 Kenyan shillings. I will leave the contact details on the comment section below. Remember to say that you've been sent by Miss Kenywa. Yeah, and I'm telling you, 25,000 shillings for this location. That is quite something. You have sockets over here. So that is it about this house. Let me know what you think about the house on the comment section below, and let me see you on my next video. Please